Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser. This cruiser is blue in color. Comes with a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. This layout is considered to be our single lounger layout. As you can see, this backrest flips forward and back. You can actually sit back here while you're underway. You have your chains there to lock you in. Lots of storage under this seat. Really big, nice compartment. 24 inches long. Coming into the boat, we flip our seat forward. A nice wraparound seating bench. You can see lots of cup holders. Compartment under here to store an extra cooler. If you wanted to put a dressing room on this side of this, we could absolutely do that. About $1,000 to add those. A couple loungers here in the front. Of course, there's storage under every seat. Here at the helm, you have a Fusion audio head unit, docking lights, depth finder, everything you need to go and have a good time on the water. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota.